Walking Street Pattaya, a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and sensations. পাটায়ার ওয়াকিং স্ট্রিট একটি অনন্য গন্তব্য যা পর্যটকদের উজ্জ্বল রাত্রিজীবন, মুখ্য খাবার এবং বিভিন্ন মনোরঞ্জনের সুযোগ দিয়ে আকর্ষণ করে।
এই সেমি সার্কেল করে দেখা যাচ্ছে এটা পুরোটা ওয়াকিং স্ট্রিট।
In this vlog, you will watch the sizzling street food stalls,
ছোট ছোট কাঁচা আম কিভাবে বিক্রি হচ্ছে।
Okay, let's begin today's vlog. The Walking Street Pattaya, Thailand Vlog 3. The distance from Glow Pattaya Hotel and Walking Street was only 1.4 kilometers. Just 7 মিনিট থেকে 8 মিনিটের হাঁটা। কোরাল আইল্যান্ড থেকে ফিরে এসে একটু রেস্ট নিয়ে was ready for the evening. বেরিয়ে পড়লাম। As you make your way towards the walking street, you will likely encounter smaller pavement markets and stalls selling a variety of goods.
ডিএমস পাসবুক আপডেট অফ বাইরে কফি অ্যান্ড বিয়ার।
The tropical fruits that are highlighted during the peak fruit season in Pattaya, durian. It is celebrated as the king of fruits and is the major draw for the visitors.
কাঁঠাল,
Mangosteen. It is also known as the king of fruits.
হ্যাঁ এই তো কাঁঠাল।
Then comes jackfruit. The Sianhua has a golden yellow flesh with crisp texture and a delightful aroma. Pattaya has several flower shops located on the pavement that offer a wide selection of fresh flowers and gift items.
ছোট ছোট কাঁচা আম কিভাবে বিক্রি হচ্ছে। ওয়াও, জিভে জল এসে যাচ্ছে। খেতে হবে একটা। ভিনিগারে দেওয়া লঙ্কা, তার সাথে ডিম সেদ্ধ, দারুণ।
8 minutes walk, I made it into at least 15 to 20 minutes. I went on slowly, stealthily,
দোকান,
watching the
আবার
stalls and
fruits এর
enjoying
দোকান।
the local market of Pattaya. Convenient access to the nail services for the locals and tourists without having to visit a dedicated salon. Potentially more affordable prices compared to the traditional nail salons. I have seen the nail technicians are setting up temporary stations on the pavement or the sidewalks in certain areas of Pattaya to offer the nail extension and the other nail services to the passers-by.
এই ভেহিকলগুলো ইউজ হয় ফর লোকাল পিপল, দে ট্রাভেল ইন দিস।
然后我们那个
ফুটপাত জুড়ে গাছ, বড় বড় গাছ এরকম পাতার নিচ দিয়ে দিয়ে হেঁটে হেঁটে যাচ্ছি, খুব সুন্দর লাগছে। This is the crosswalk for the pedestrian.
There are several massage parlors and spas located in Pattaya, Thailand that offer a variety of massage services. Almost reached. Google Map is giving me instructions.
Turn left.
Come Pattaya, walking. Here no vehicles are allowed.
Walking Street in Pattaya, Thailand is a vibrant and lively entertainment district that comes alive at night. The 1 kilometer stretch is closed to the vehicles from 7 pm to 3 am, allowing the visitors to freely explore the many bars, clubs, restaurants, and shows along the street. The area is known for its thriving nightlife scene, with a wide variety of venues catering to the different tastes. From lively clubs playing EDM and hip hop to intimate jazz bars, the live music venues, there's something for everyone. Visitors can dance the night away to the pulsating beats, try their luck at casinos and arcades, or simply soak in the energetic atmosphere. One of the highlights of the walking street is the diverse array of the street food options available. From the fragrant bowls of pad thai to spicy green papaya salad. You can also find unique souvenirs, the local crafts at the various shops and boutiques along the street. Dear viewers, come, let's enjoy the walk. The end part of the walking street near Balihai Plaza is generally quieter compared to the busier central section. However, I was able to see a special need girl singing song which was so heartwarming sight amidst the normally raucous atmosphere. It's a good reminder that Pattaya offers more than just its infamous nightlife scene.
সকালবেলা আমরা কোরাল আইল্যান্ড গেছিলাম, সেটা এই জায়গা থেকেই। এই যে সকালবেলার ছবি আর এখন রাতের ছবি।
The quieter end of the walking street and the proximity to the pier for the Coral Island boats make this
is
a
the
convenient
police
spot
station.
to take a break from the neon lights and the loud music that dominate most of the famous street. এবার ফেরার পালা। As I returned back, again walking through the walking street, I went inside one of the store and bought some juices, snacks for the next day's trip. The walking street in Pattaya offers a wide variety of food options, making it so difficult to choose what to have for dinner. Hope you have enjoyed the walk down the walking street. Thank you for watching. See you again in Thailand vlog 4.